If your mornings feel slower than they used to, your energy disappears too early, and your body no longer responds the way you want, you may start blaming age. But the real answer is usually more complicated than one missing ingredient. There is no magic spoonful that can instantly raise testosterone or restore sexual function. What can make a difference is the way you start building your day. In this video, we are going to look at a simple morning routine that supports the systems connected with energy, circulation, and healthy aging. We will talk about water, a balanced breakfast, gentle movement, and two familiar kitchen ingredients, turmeric and honey. You will also learn what these ingredients may realistically offer, what the research does not prove, and why persistent changes in erections should never be treated with a kitchen remedy alone. Remember that erectile dysfunction can involve blood vessels, diabetes, blood pressure, medications, nerves, stress, sleep, or hormones. A morning routine may support health, but it cannot diagnose or cure the cause. After 60, the first hour of your day can influence what happens during the rest of it. Many men wake up dehydrated, skip breakfast, rely on coffee, and then wonder why energy crashes before lunch. A better morning means water, gentle movement if appropriate, and a breakfast combining protein, fiber, and minimally processed carbohydrates, such as yogurt with berries, oatmeal with nuts, eggs with whole grain toast, or beans with vegetables. This supports the health factors connected with blood flow more reliably than a dramatic tonic. Now let us talk about turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice used in cooking and traditional health practices for centuries. Its best-known compound is curcumin, which has been studied for inflammation, joint symptoms, and other conditions. That research is interesting, but it does not prove that turmeric cleans arteries, repairs blood vessels, raises testosterone, or treats erectile dysfunction. Turmeric can add flavor to eggs, vegetables, lentils, or soup without much salt or sugar. In food, it is a culinary ingredient, not a prescription. Supplements are different. Products vary in strength, evidence is not strong enough to confirm broad health benefits, and some high-absorption formulations have been linked with liver injury. Turmeric may also cause stomach upset or reflux. If you take medication or are considering a concentrated supplement, speak with a healthcare professional first. The next ingredient is honey. Honey is primarily a source of sugar, not a proven testosterone enhancer or erectile treatment. A small amount can sweeten yogurt, oatmeal, or tea, but its value comes from how it fits into the meal. If you manage diabetes, prediabetes, weight, or blood sugar, count honey as added sugar. Raw or expensive labels do not turn it into medicine. So what happens when turmeric and honey are combined? They create a pleasant flavor that some people enjoy in a warm drink or breakfast. They do not create a proven formula that opens arteries, rebuilds testosterone production, or works like an erectile dysfunction medication. The combination can be part of a meal, but it should never be presented as a guaranteed performance protocol. This distinction matters because confident health claims can make people delay care. If a man believes that a spoonful of turmeric and honey will fix his circulation, he may ignore high blood pressure, high blood sugar, chest symptoms, medication effects, or persistent erectile dysfunction. A food routine should support medical care, not replace it. If you enjoy the combination, keep it simple. Use a small amount of turmeric as a cooking spice and a small amount of honey for flavor. You do not need a huge dose, an empty stomach, a special brand, or a dramatic 30-day promise. Never force yourself to take it if it causes reflux, stomach pain, rash, or another reaction. The most important part of the morning routine is not the spoon. It is what surrounds it. Build the morning around water, a protein and fiber breakfast, and gentle movement such as walking or mobility work when appropriate. Then review the habits that affect vitality: sleep, smoking, alcohol, sitting time, prescribed medication, blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. These questions are more useful than a miracle remedy. There is also an important medication warning. Do not stop blood pressure medicine, antidepressants, diabetes medication, or any other prescribed treatment because an online video says a spice or food can replace it. Some supplements can interact with medications, and turmeric products are not automatically safe simply because they are natural. Ask a pharmacist or healthcare professional before starting a concentrated supplement. Now we need to talk honestly about sexual health. A change in erections can be frustrating and embarrassing, but it is not a personal failure. Erections depend on blood flow, nerves, hormones, psychological health, and the ability to become aroused. Difficulty getting or keeping an erection can sometimes be related to cardiovascular or metabolic conditions. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases says healthcare professionals diagnose erectile dysfunction using medical, sexual, and mental health history, a physical exam, and lab or other tests. The same source explains that a healthy diet can lower the risk of erectile dysfunction or improve symptoms, especially when it lowers the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. That means the strongest nutrition message is not that one ingredient repairs sexual function. It is that a pattern built around vegetables, whole fruits, beans, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and unsaturated fats can support the health systems involved. If erection problems are new, persistent, worsening, or accompanied by chest discomfort, shortness of breath, fainting, or other concerning symptoms, arrange a professional evaluation. Do not diagnose low testosterone from a social media video. Do not order random hormone supplements. Do not assume that a few weeks of a kitchen mixture can reveal the cause. Let us bring the morning plan together. Wake up and drink water. Get some light and gentle movement. Eat a balanced breakfast with protein and fiber. Use turmeric and honey only as optional culinary ingredients, in reasonable amounts, if they suit you. Protect your sleep, stay active, avoid tobacco, limit excess alcohol, and manage medical conditions with professional guidance. This routine may help you create steadier energy and better daily habits, but it does not promise instant transformation. You may feel more organized because your morning is more consistent. You may support your cardiovascular health because your meals and activity improve. Those are meaningful results, even when they do not arrive in a dramatic before and after story. The goal after 60 is not to chase the version of yourself from 30 years ago. It is to protect the strength, independence, confidence, and connection you still have today. A simple routine can be a useful beginning, but it should be built on evidence rather than fear. So the real morning secret is not turmeric and honey alone. It is hydration, nourishing food, movement, sleep, appropriate medical care, and consistency. Turmeric can add flavor. Honey can add sweetness. Neither one is a guaranteed testosterone booster or a replacement for treatment. If you are concerned about your energy, circulation, hormones, or erections, speak with a qualified healthcare professional and ask the questions you may have been avoiding. And if this video helped you replace miracle claims with practical health habits, comment morning routine below and subscribe for more evidence-based healthy aging explainers.